Hi educators, during this video I'm going to be teaching you how to correctly fill out your timesheet each pay period. So let me share my screen so you can see the timesheet. So here is our timesheet, and as you can see at the top you're going to write in your name, your employee ID, what month it is, the year, your office, what county you're in, and then the pay period. So our pay periods run the 1st through the 15th, and then the 15th through the last day of the month. So you will be submitting 2 of these per month, 2 timesheets per month. And really, you should be filling this out each day as you come into work, as you leave for lunch, as you come back for lunch, and as you leave for the day, and any other leave and come back that you may have throughout each day. That way you just keep better track of it and it's more accurate. So as you can see right here on the side, you're going to fill in the days of the week and the months, whatever that is, and you're going to specify the time in. So right here it says 8 a.m. out, 10 a.m. She came back in at 12:30 and then left again at 2:30. So you can see the gist here. Just specify when you come into work, when you go out, when you come in, when you go out. Also, we want to make sure that we use the right leave codes for either annual leave or sick leave, and specify the hours that you take for each of these different types of leave. You can see the different leave codes right here. You may use these throughout your time with extension. Just make sure that you use the right leave code and specify the right amount of leave time that you may be using. Now let's look at this example down here. Let's look at Tuesday, 10/23. So it looks like Jan came in at 10, left at 12:30, came back at 1, and left at 4:30. So she worked a total of 6 hours that day. Also, Jane took 2 hours of sick leave that day, which equivalates to 8 hours that whole day. And you can see that all of this added up equals to 40 hours per week. And that's because she took leave on Thursday and Friday, and she took leave on this Tuesday as well. So all of that adds up to 40 hours. We never want to go over 40 hours within a work week. And if you do happen to work overtime on one day, you want to make sure that you use that time accordingly within that same work week. So if you worked 10 hours on Monday, you have 2 hours that you can trade out throughout the rest of the Tuesday through Friday. So that may be that you communicate with your supervisor and ask that you come in 2 hours later, or that you leave 2 hours on any specific day. Just make sure that you get approval for that and that you use it within the same work week. And then you will sign down here and date it, and you will give it to your supervisor. And that is our timesheet.